Hey beautiful friends, it is Carissa here with a portable electric kettle. So these are a nice small size, hence it's portable, where you can take it with you to work to heat up some water or to heat up stuff to make yourself some tea, maybe some coffee. I'm going to show you what it looks like and then I'll show you how it works. I believe you're only supposed to put water in here to heat them up. Here's your little portable kettle. You have 4 different degrees here on the bottom of what it can go, from 113 Fahrenheit to 212 Fahrenheit. Your little button to turn it on has a nice little handle here. And then on the inside, you'll find your cable to plug it into the wall, as well as your instructions. And then you have this much of space to heat up your water. Let's give it a try. And it is now heating up the water. It'll tell you the temperature right there as it's rising up.